Dear students, welcome to Narayana online digital classes. Today we are going to discuss about some objective questions in compounds of heavy metal. K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7 is preferred oxidizing agent than Na2Cr2O7 because K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate. Na2Cr2O7 is more hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and the concentration of Na2Cr2O7 will changes with time to time. Okay, that's why K2Cr2O7 is more preferred than Na2Cr2O7. And one more important point, K2Cr2O7 acts as used as primary standard, not Na2Cr2O7. That's why here option A is correct. Because of hygroscopic. Next question. T, compound T, imparts violet color to the flame. That compound U, T and compound U in presence of H2SO4 concentrated, then compound V is formed. Here T imparts violet color in flame test. Potassium give violet, light violet, lilac color in flame test. That's why that compound, the T is potassium salt. And combined with U in presence of H2SO4 concentrated, it is chromyl chloride test. Okay. Chromyl chloride test is given by chlorides, ionic chlorides, which are soluble in water. Water soluble ionic chlorides will give chromyl chloride test. That water soluble ionic chloride is either NH4Cl or KCl. Okay, particularly K2Cr2O7 chromium compound is used in chromyl chloride test. That's why either B or C are correct according to the verification. And that compound T is K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. That compound U is, I will write here, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. Okay, plus U is NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. H2SO4 concentrated, sulfuric acid. Then compound V, red colored gas, V is formed. It is CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride, red color vapor. Now treat with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. NaOH, then sodium chromate, Na2CrO4, sodium chromate is formed. Now that sodium chromate again treat with AgNO3, silver nitrate. Then red colored Ag2CrO4, silver chromate is formed. Okay. Now this W is red colored Ag2CrO4. And U sublimes on heating. U means here the compound U. This is U. This is T. Okay. This one is V, red color chromyl chloride. Okay. This one is W. Now U, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, sublimes on heating with NaOH. With NaOH, NH3 plus NaCl plus H2O. NH3 gas comes out, sublimes. Now identify T2Z. Now T is K2Cr2O7, U is ammonium chloride, and V is chromyl chloride, and W Ag2CrO4, and Z is ammonia. Z is ammonia. Then option 2 is correct. Next question. The diamagnetic compound is or HgCl2 mercury chloride, Hg2Cl2 mercurous chloride is also called calomel. Mercurous chloride is calomel. Cu2Cl2 cuprous chloride, and K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. HgCl2, Hg, it is second B group element. Its valency configuration here 6s2 and 5d10. Xenon core 6s2, 5d10. Here 6s2 and 5d10. All electrons are paired up. Okay, 6s2, 5d10. Hg2 plus. Hg2 plus means remove 2 electrons from valency 6s. Then all electrons are completely paired up. Even the removal of 2 electrons, all electrons are paired up. That's why that is diamagnetic. And Hg2Cl2 mercurous chloride. Here Hg exists as Hg2 plus. Hg2 plus. Each Hg in plus form, plus one state. Plus one means you think that here Hg which contains one single electron. Hg which contains one single electron in 6s. That's why our assumption is that Hg2Cl2 is paramagnetic. No, it is not paramagnetic. It is also diamagnetic. Because that Hg plus which containing single electron combined with another Hg to form covalent bond. Now no single electron present in each Hg. All electrons are paired. That's why Hg2Cl2 also diamagnetic. And Cu2Cl2, Cu plus normally copper 4s1 3d10. 4s1 3d10. Here Cu plus means remove one electron, all electrons are paired up, no single electrons, diamagnetic. And K2Cr2O7, here Cr plus 6 is the oxidation number. Plus 6 means organ configuration, no single electron. Okay, so because of charge transfer phenomena, even though not containing single electrons, so because of charge transfer phenomena, exhibit color. Anyway, it is also diamagnetic. All these 4 are diamagnetic. This is multi-option question. All these 4 are diamagnetic compounds. Next question. Which of the following produce Cr2O3 along with O2? Which of the following produce Cr2O3 along with O2? First, ammonium dichromate. NH4 taken twice, Cr2O7, ammonium dichromate. On heating, decomposed into N2 plus Cr2O3 plus 4 moles of H2O. In this decomposition, O2 is not formed. Heating CrO3, take 2 moles of CrO3, on heating, decompose it to form. Heating CrO3, okay, 2 moles of CrO3, decompose it to form Cr2O3 plus 3/2 moles of O2. Yes, along with Cr2O3, oxygen is formed. Next, heating of potassium dichromate. Heating of potassium dichromate. 2 moles of K2Cr2O7 On heating, decomposed to form 2 moles of K2CrO4 potassium chromate plus Cr2O3 plus 3 by 2 moles of O2. Yes, these two will produce Cr2O3 along with oxygen. And fourth one, Al2O3, alumina, Al2O3 plus chromium, no reaction because here Al is more electropositive. This reaction not takes place. But Cr2O3 when treating with 2 moles of Al, then Al2O3 is formed. Al2O3 plus 2 moles of Cr. This equation is used in Goldsmith aluminothermic process. Anyway, this reaction not takes place. Here option, multi-option question, option B and C are correct. Next question. FeCr2O4 chromite ore, Na2CO3 plus O2 fusion, then X, a compound X is formed. FeCr2O4 chromite, which can be written as FeO dot Cr2O3 plus Na2CO3 sodium carbonate plus O2 fusion, then Na2CrO4 sodium chromate is formed, which is treating with acid, acidification. Okay, then compound Y, that is Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate is formed, Na2Cr2O7. That Na2Cr2O7 in presence of H plus acidic medium treat with hydrogen peroxide H2O2, then blue colored CrO5 chromium pentoxide is formed. Now this chromium pentoxide treating with H2SO4 in presence of acid undergoes self-decomposition to form Cr2SO4 taken twice chromium sulfate. Here Cr3 plus is the oxidation number. Okay, it is in green color, chromium sulfate plus along with that O2 is formed. Okay, now XYZ. Here Na2CrO4 is X, that is X. And Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate is Y. And Z is CrO5 chromium pentoxide. Okay, now observe, in all these three compounds the chromium is in +6 oxidation state. Yes, here chromium +6 oxidation number, here +6 oxidation number. CrO5 also chromium +6 oxidation number because CrO5 structure is a butterfly type structure, butterfly. 2 peroxy bonds are present. This oxygen -2, these 4 oxygen atoms which are participating in the peroxy bonds, -1 oxidation number. After calculation, here Cr +6 oxidation number. Okay, so first one is, in all three compounds chromium +6 oxidation number state is correct. And Z is deep blue violet colored compound which decomposes rapidly in aqueous solution into Cr3 plus and dioxygen. Yes, correct. Well, CrO5 blue colored decomposed into Cr3 plus and also dioxygen O2. It is correct. Saturated solution of Y gives bright orange compound chromic anhydride with concentrated H2SO4. Okay. So Na2CrO4, this one is bright orange colored sodium dichromate is formed. Yes, it is also correct. And X is an oxidizing agent under acidic conditions. Sodium chromate and sodium dichromate both are acts as oxidizing agents. That's why D also correct. It is a multi-option question. A, B, C, D all are correct. Next question. Aqueous solution of CrCl3. Aqueous solution of CrCl3. A. Treat with NaOH. Then green precipitate B. Green precipitate B is formed. With excess of NaOH, green solution C is formed. Okay, one by one. Aqueous solution of CrCl3, that is A. With NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Then CrOH taken twice. Chromium chloride, chromium hydroxide is formed. Now chromium hydroxide, it is in green precipitate, that is B. Treat with excess of NaOH. Then NaCrOH taken 4. Sodium tetrahydroxochromate, that compound, that is green solution, green color solution, that is C. And green solution, when treating with H2O2 in presence of OH minus, then yellow solution is formed. Treat with H2O2 in presence of OH minus, then sodium chromate, Na2CrO4, sodium chromate, yellow solution, the D is formed. The D is sodium chromate. Next, again treat with H2O2 in acidic medium. H2O2 in acidic medium. First, Na2Cr2O7. Sodium dichromate is formed. Again, if some more H2O2 in presence of H plus, then CrO5, chromium pentoxide is formed. The deep blue color solution is chromium pentoxide, that is E. On standing, it evolves gas F. On long standing, you know that it decomposed into Cr3 plus and O2. Cr3 plus means when treating with HCl, here CrCl3, in presence of acid HCl, CrCl3 is formed, Cr3 plus and O2 is released. So from these equations, once observe these statements, the gas F evolved is O2. Yes, the gas F evolved is dioxin O2. Okay, that is F. In C, D and E, Cr is in plus 6 oxidation state. Plus 6 oxidation state. C. Here C, chromium is in plus 3 oxidation number, not plus 6. And D, what is that D? Sodium chromate. Here also, here plus 6 oxidation number. Okay. And E here CrO5. CrO5, okay, here plus 6 oxidation number. But in that C, it is not in plus 6, it is in plus 3 oxidation number. That's why first one is correct, B is wrong. For the conversion of C to D, Br2 plus NaOH can be used. Yes, we can use Br2 in presence of NaOH, which converts that sodium tetrahydroxochromate is converted into sodium chromate by using Br2 in presence of base. It is correct. Yellow solution is sodium chromate. Yes, Na2CrO4, yellow in color, sodium chromate. Yes, yes, C and D are correct. So this is also multi-option question. A, C, D are correct. Next question. Correct statement is or an estimated solution of K2Cr2O7 liberates iodine from Ki. Estimated solution of K2Cr2O7 liberates iodine from Ki, potassium iodide. Yes, it is correct. K2Cr2O7 liberates when treating with Ki, I2 is liberated because it is oxidizing agent. Oxidages I minus 1 iodide into I2, oxidation number 0, oxidizing agent. And K2Cr2O7 is used as standard solution for estimation of Fe2 plus ions. Yes, it is correct. K2Cr2O7 dichrometry. Potassium dichromatate is used to estimate that ferrous ammonium sulfate more salt, ferrous salts. That is correct. This one is correct. This one is correct. In acidic medium, molarity of K2Cr2O7 is equal to N by 6. Yes. In acidic medium, K2Cr2O7 is converted into Cr3 plus, 2Cr3 plus. Cr3 plus means here chromium sulfate Cr2SO4 taken twice in presence of H2SO4. Here Cr3 plus is oxidation number. Here N factor is equal to modulus of product state charge 2 into plus 3, 6 minus. Here reactant state charge 2 into 6, 12 is equal to 6. 6 is the N factor value. Okay, that's why this is correct. Ammonium dichromate on heating decomposes to yield Cr2O3 through an endothermic reaction. Yes, you know that ammonium dichromate, NH4 taken twice, Cr2O7 on heating decomposed to form N2 plus Cr2O3 plus 4 moles of H2O. So you think that here this is the endothermic reaction. Initially small amount of heat is required, but more large amount of heat is liberated. It is called volcanic decomposition. Volcanic decomposition, large amount of heat is released. That's why it is said to be exothermic decomposition, not endothermic. This one is wrong. A, B, C are correct. Okay. Next question. K2Cr2O7 in alkaline medium with 30% of H2O2 forms red brown colored compound X. Okay. Oxidation state of Cr in X is plus A. A number of peroxy oxygens in X is B. Value of B minus A. Here K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate. Treat with H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide. In presence of basic medium. Alkyl medium, basic medium. Then this compound K3Cr08. Potassium tetraperoxochromate is formed. Potassium tetraperoxochromate. Its color is brown color. Brown colored compound. Its structure is Cr single bond O single bond O minus K plus single bond O minus K plus single bond O minus K plus. All these oxygen atoms are bonding with peroxy bonds. Okay. He asking about Cr oxidation number. Here minus 1. All oxygen atoms, individual oxidation number is minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Then plus 3 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to plus 5. That A is 5 plus A plus 5. The number of peroxy oxygens, all oxygen atoms are peroxy oxygens. How many? 8. Here B is equal to 8. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Okay. He asking about B minus A value. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. This is integer type question 3. Okay. Next question. Following steps are involved in manufacturing of potassium dichromate. Chromite ore. Chromite ore means FeCrO4. Actually FeCr2O4. Actually FeCr2O3 is correct. Both are same. Okay. Fused with Na2CO3 in presence of air, then solid mass is formed. Fused with Na2CO3 in presence of air, then solid mass is Na2CrO4, sodium chromate plus Fe2O3, ferric oxide plus CO2 is formed. Okay, sodium chromate, Fe2O3 and CrO4, CO2 is formed. Next, that Na2CrO4 plus Fe2O3, that mixture, add water and filtered off, then brown precipitate, Fe2O3 is filtered off. The solution which contains sodium chromate, Na2CrO4 sodium chromate. When treating with H2SO4 concentrated, then sodium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate solution is formed. What is the difference in the oxidation number of Cr between X and Z? In Z, Cr oxidation number is +6. In Z, in X, Fe2 plus O2 minus. Here Cr2O3, Cr oxidation number is +3. Cr +3 is oxidation number. Here +6. The difference is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. This is also integer type question. Answer 3. Next question. K2CrO4 is converted into K2Cr2O7 by K2CrO4 potassium dichromate with H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Okay. Then here K2Cr2O7 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Only in presence of acid. Here H2SO4 concentrated. Option A is correct. Okay. Next question. Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to 2CrO4 2 minus X and Y mediums, OH minus basic medium or H plus acidic medium. Cr2O7 2 minus in basic medium, it is converted into chromate ion. Dichromate ion converted into chromate ion in basic medium. In acidic medium, again that chromate ion is converted into dichromate ion. At pH is equal to 4. At pH is equal to 4. So X is equal to OH minus, Y is equal to H plus. Option A is correct. Next question. Acidified chromic acid plus H2O2 gives X plus Y. X blue color and Y is chromic acid. H2CrO4 is chromic acid plus H2O2. H2O2 in presence of acid H plus. Then CrO5 plus H2O is formed. Option A is correct. Chromium pentoxide plus H2O is formed. Next question. FeCr2O4 ferrite ore Na2CO3 plus O2 gives X plus Y plus Z. Unbalanced. Okay. Identify the correct statements regarding the above reaction. Okay. Here X is sodium chromate, Na2CrO4, that is X. Y is Fe2O3, that is Y. And Z is CO2, carbon dioxide, that is Z. Identify the correct statements regarding the above reaction. In one of the product, metal is in +3 oxidation state. Yes. Here iron +3 oxidation state, one of the product, iron, Fe2O3. Yes, it is correct. The yellow solution of one of the product is filtered and on acidification with sulfuric acid gives a solution which orange crystals can be separated. Sodium chromate, treat with H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then Na2Cr2O7, sodium dichromate, orange red colored sodium dichromate is formed. Okay. One of the product is gas, yes, CO2 is gas. In one of the product, anion has tetrahedral structure, yes, Cr, Na2CrO4, CrO4 2 minus ion is anion, Cr2O4 2 minus is anion. Its structure is, CrO4 2 minus is anion in that. Then Cr double bond O, single bond O minus, that is CrO4 2 minus, tetrahedral structure. 3 years hybridization. It is correct. All the 4 are correct. Option D is correct. Next question. Which of the following is correct? K2Cr2O7 is used as an oxidizing agent for preparation of azo compounds. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Azo compounds is correct. K2Cr2O7 is oxidizing agent used to prepare azo compounds. And K2Cr2O7 is used in the purification of water. Is not correct. And K2Cr2O7 and Na2Cr2O7 both used as primary standard in volumetric analysis. No, only K2Cr2O7 is used as primary standard because Na2Cr2O7 is hygroscopic. Concentration will be changing with time. Will change with time. And this one also wrong. Because Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to CrO4 2 minus. In basic medium, OH minus, H plus is completely reverse. Is wrong. Then option A is correct. Next question. The yellow color solution of Na2CrO4 changes to orange red color on passing CO gas due to the formation of yellow colored solution of Na2CrO5 changes to orange red on passing CO2. You know, Na2CrO4 is acidified with CO2, then turns into Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate. During acidification, sodium dichromate is formed. Then option C is correct. The session is completed. Thank you.